People are at the heart of everything we do. Their business, their dreams, their future. So whatever we design, whatever we make, we always have the driver in mind. For a life on the road, this is the new Volvo FH, the ultimate long-haul experience. Bred to just keep going, to bring you horizon after horizon, going the distance efficiently every step of the way. An outstanding journey, with drivability and comfort at its heart. Through safety and next-level technology, it lets drivers do what they do best. Go any direction. Ride any road. This is the future, reshaped and re-engineered.